Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita LS002GZ. Switch to startup vacuum cleaner via AWS, convenient for cleaning after working with this tool. Rail forward design enables to be placed against a wall for maximizing workspace. LED lamp to cast an exact cutting line. Extendable subtable helps stabilize long material cuts. Constant speed control as stable as that of AC tools. Equipped with Bevel motor, allowing for smooth cutting. Auto Start wireless system AWS connects to compatible vacuum cleaners with Bluetooth. Bevel range of 48 right and left. Single sliding system enables smooth operation to produce superior cuts. Blade diameter 216.12. Hole diameter 25.41. Anglinometer 60L, 60R. Bevel 48L, 48R. Max cutting capacity bevel 45L miter 45L 50x 220mm 2x858. Bevel 45L miter 050x 312mm 2x1214. Bevel 45R miter 45L 30x 220mm 1316x858. Bevel 45. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helps.
Có lên mà sắc đẹp.